Wood Ka process. Design by Karelian Bio Tech Corporation, Finland. What's modern bioprocess and what do we expect from it? It can use fiber-based side streams, example logging waste, leaves, branches, bark, bio-waste, etc. Process is capable to separate of structural components to sugars, extractives, lignin and fiber. Main target is to create bio-based raw material bank. Let's talk about Wood Ka process. Wood Ka is third-generation biorefinery concept using bio-based materials, and same time a new way to create improved craft from side streams. Process uses as raw material bio-based side streams like energy and waste wood, garden waste, bio-waste and other fiber-based material. Process excludes using raw material used in production of food or feed. It has been verified with pilot trials with different raw material. The output of process is 4 base elements: cellulose, hemicellulose as we call it, sugars, lignin, extracts like turpentine, pine oil, resin, etc. Here is presented the 4 base elements coming out of process. Cellulose. Cellulose fibers' length and shape can variate based on raw material, but what's common with fibers is the length. The fiber length can be extended from existing kraft length 2.5 centimeters up to 5 to 10 centimeters, and from lily leaves can be produced over 20 centimeters long string or rope material. All this gives new possibilities to modify or create new products like this cup, which has been molded from garden and bio waste. Hemicellulose. Hemicellulose is in sugar form and can be easily modified to products like, example, ethanol. Cellulose material can be also transformed to ethanol by transforming it first in hydrolysis to sugars and by fermentation turn it to ethanol. Cellulose material can be made example from bio-waste on garden waste. Lignin. Lignin is separated in process and can be processed to raw material for various products like aviation and marine fuel, batteries, substitute for fossil fuels, or in medical applications. Lignin is an interesting material that has great potential in future products. Extracts. The extracts are separated in the process and collected as raw materials for various industries. It can be used, for example, in the production of pine oil, turpentine and lubricating products, and plays an important role in medical applications or perfumery. As can be seen, extracts are widely used in many industries. Examples of usability. Here can be seen different base elements, rough usability chart. On right side is the main industrial sectors like food, feed and textile, chemical industry, heat and electricity producing, light and heavy traffic. This chart describes different elements' usability in different sectors. But what's more important is on left side. We could replace existing craft capacity by producing it from side streams and by this way reduce logging of forest pulp wood amount. This means that we could age of forest lifetime. Same time are created new opportunities to use improved fiber material for creating new products. The Wood Ka concept is a new concept for the production of biocomponents for the industrial raw material bank. The basic concept creates a new way to produce improved kraft pulp and at the same time opens the door to the production of bio-based products. The improved processing of cellulose, hemicellulose, lignin and extractives makes it possible to replace the use of fossil materials and thus affect climate change. The process enables a faster schedule than the current one in the work against climate change. New raw materials create new competitiveness for different sectors of industry. The price of the raw material can be reduced by more efficient use of side streams, and the wood used by the forest industry can be partially replaced by the use of energy and waste wood and other fiber-based raw materials such as garden and bio-waste. Diversification and aging of forests is the best way to combat climate change.
Welcome to New Dawn of Greener World.